In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use IC Markets Ctrader. Whether you're brand new or just need a refresher, we'll walk through the essentials so you can place trades confidently and manage them with clarity. First, let's get Ctrader set up. Make sure your brokerage account is opened with the Ctrader account type. Then download or open Ctrader on desktop, mobile, or directly in your web browser. Launch the platform, click Log In, and sign in with your Ctrader ID or your broker credentials. Select the correct server for your account, and you'll be connected. Once you're in, you'll land on the trading dashboard, which is where everything happens. Take a moment to understand the interface. On the left is your watch list, which shows instruments like Forex pairs, gold, or crypto. In the center is the chart, where you'll see live price movement. On the right is the order panel for quick buy and sell actions. And along the bottom is the Trade tab, which displays your open positions and orders. Ctrader is known for a clean layout and fast execution, so navigation feels smooth once you get used to it. Next, add the instruments you want to follow. In the watch list, click the plus icon to Add Symbol. Search for common markets like EURUSD for Forex, XAUUSD for gold, or BTCUSD for crypto, and add them. Now you can open their charts and get ready to trade. When you're ready to place a trade, click a symbol in your watch list to load its chart. In the order panel, choose buy or sell based on your plan. Set your volume, which is your lot size, and define both a stop loss and a take profit to manage risk and targets. Then click Place Order. Ctrader also offers one-click trading for faster entries, but only use it once you're comfortable, since orders go through immediately. Use the charting tools to guide your decisions. Change time frames from 1 minute to 1 hour or daily to see different perspectives. Add indicators like moving average, RSI, or MACD to analyze momentum and trends. You can also draw trend lines and mark support and resistance directly on the chart. For managing protection levels, set your stop loss and take profit before placing the order in the ticket, or adjust them afterward by dragging the SL and TP lines on the chart. This visual method is quick and precise. To monitor everything, open the Trade tab at the bottom. You can view open positions, modify stop loss or take profit levels, and close trades at any time. You'll also see your balance, margin usage, and current profit or loss. A few final tips. Always use a stop loss. Start with a demo account first. Keep lot sizes small while you learn, and avoid overtrading. Trade thoughtfully, and build consistency one step at a time.